Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I've got some solar powered outdoor lights that were sent to me as a gift to test and use in my home. And I'm really excited for these. We've got some dark spots in our yard that could just use some easy lighting. Now, love this. You've got a nice big solar panel here. You've got three nice big LED lights. These are angled, like you can move these around so to light up the area that you're wanting. Nice sturdy construction for mounting this. And these are weatherproof, so rain, cold, hot, whatever. These are tried and tested and so good. It comes with everything that you're going to need to mount them outside. So check these out. Look at all of those LED lights, motion sensors. So the default setting is off, and then when it senses motion, it will light that up. And then once the motion is gone, it will stay on for about 30 seconds, and then it will turn off again. So let's go get these installed. So lights come with these brackets that easily screw in. So you can click in the light here, just slides in, and then you can release it. So if you need to move it again or whatever, you're good to go. It also comes with screws that have things for drywall. Those are good screws. You can also mount these directly using this if you don't want to use the little bracket. Here you've got the on-off switch on the back, so if there's some reason that you want this to be off, you can turn it off manually on the back. So we're going to be putting on this tree to help light up our driveway at nighttime. We are using some different screws. It does come with good screws, but we're going to use some a little bit longer screws to go into the tree since it's a little bit different material and a little bit curved. Okay, super easy. It's on there. Okay, clips right in. You want to make sure the solar panel is angled where it's going to get sun. And then you can position the lights and stuff where they need to go. Okay, there's the on. Okay, and then we'll let it time out, let it charge, and when it gets dark, it'll light up. Okay, so the other light we're going to put on here on the back of our shed. This is like hardy plank and wood. Looks real good. We've got a cloudy day today, but we'll let it charge tomorrow and test it out. Okay, let's see it motion activated at night. Let's see. It caught me. Gives a lot of light here to the driveway, which is awesome. Let's go see how the other one lights up the backyard. Okay, so I'm not triggering the light. You can see how dark it is back here. So the light is on. I'm thinking, because we've got some tree cover here and it's been pretty cloudy, I'm thinking that this didn't get charged all the way because that's pretty dim. Just kidding. We had it on a lower light setting. So if it's not lighting up as much as you would want, push the button and it will change. So lots of light back here now. So it actually looks like it dims down a little bit when it's timed out. So anyway, we love these. Hope you do too.